Ani Anya. Welcome back to Learn Igbo with Naz, my beautiful people. If you're new here, this is Learn Igbo with Naza, where language meets culture, where we explore the beauty of the Igbo people. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Daluriene. Yes, I know you're asking, why is she singing Ani Anya? Yes, that is because today we are going to be looking at the different parts of the body. I don't want you to be asked what is Anya and you are confused. That's not what we do here, okay? Anya. Anya is the eyes. Anya is the eyes. Imi, nose. Imi, nose. Onu, mouth. Onu, mouth. Ire, the tongue. Ire is the tongue. Okay, let's go on to go. Isi, anya, imi, onu, ire. 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 Okay. Now the next set we're going to be looking at is Mpisiaka is the fingers. Mpisiaka, fingers. Aka, hand. Aka, hand. Ungu, shoulders. Ungu, shoulders. Mpisiaka, fingers. Aka, hand. Ungu, shoulders. Mpisiaka, fingers. Aka, hand. Ungu, shoulders. Afo, the stomach. Afo, stomach. Ara, breast. Ara, breast. Opi, chest. Opi, chest. We have come to the end of today's class. I know that you have learned at least 5 parts of the body. Now in the comment section, tell us the part of the body that you will not forget easily. I'm gonna bye.